Renovating a historic building means you gotta handle some special permits that regular projects don't deal with. So, first up, you definitely need to check if a landmark preservation permit is required. This one's all about keeping the historical vibe intact, so any changes you want to make have to respect the original look and feel. Then, there's the archaeological review, which sounds fancy but basically means someone checks if your project might mess with any buried artifacts or old stuff under the building. You also might need special zoning approval because historic areas sometimes have stricter rules about what you can build or change. If you're tweaking the outside of the building, like changing windows or doors, a facade alteration permit is usually mandatory. It's all about making sure the outside stays true to its past. Don't forget, these permits can take extra time to get approved, so plan way ahead and stay patient. Talking to your local historic preservation office early on can save you a ton of headaches later. And always keep good records of all your permits and approvals so you don't get caught off guard during inspections. One of the biggest mistakes with historic building renovations is skipping the landmark preservation permit and getting slapped with fines or forced to undo work. So always start there. Another common issue is ignoring the archaeological review, which can delay your project big time if artifacts are found and you didn't plan for it. Fix this by hiring a specialist early. Lastly, many folks underestimate how strict special zoning approvals and facade alteration permits can be, leading to rejected plans. You gotta talk with your local planning department and follow their guidelines closely to avoid this. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their way around historic renovations and all those tricky permits. Plus, it gives contractors a solid platform to find clients who need their expertise on big projects like these.